How to fix Instagram story sound problem. If you have this problem, guys, in this video we'll fix it easy and quick. So don't open your Instagram, open your settings of your phone, open your apps option, search for Instagram, click on Instagram and click on permission. You have to give permission to all of these options that I give them permission, and go back, then click on force stop, click OK. Right now what you have to do, you need just to restart your phone, and then you will see that your problem is being solved correctly. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.